You see, Dowen is walking. Dowen is walking. He's searching for someone to change Dalja. Okay? We're looking for someone. Alright. Where are you going, Dowie? Where are you going? Oh, what's that? Girl. Dowie and another Dowie and me. Oh no. Monster. It's a monster. Where are you going, Dowie? Say hi. Say hi to the camera, though.
What's up, Jay?
We're looking for a lucky girl.
Looking for a lucky girl. There's a lucky girl walking. Can you do this?
No.
So magic.
Magic again?
Again.
Wait. I'll make you disappear, though.